folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Simple and delicious is always my motto. And as promised, I said it's getting close to the holiday season, so I'm going to focus on cooking for large groups and appetizers. Today, it's appetizers. I love appetizers. They're so versatile. You can make them your own, change them up, and you can just have a couple of appetizers and a salad and make it into a meal. We're going to be doing wonton stuffed appetizers. These packages of wonton, you get over 50 wontons in each package. They go a long way, they're reasonably priced. Find them in the produce section and often beside where the tofu is. So we'll be creating little cups out of these and then stuffing them with all sorts of things. Get creative, make it your own. Let's get them in the cups. Starting out by greasing your pan with a little bit of cooking spray. And then tuck them in to your little muffin pans. Now this muffin pan is only 2 3/4 inches across. You don't want to go any bigger. It's about 1.25 inches deep. You don't want to go any bigger than that because you won't end up with a cup. So you lay them in, 2-finger method. Tuck them down inside like so. This is a great recipe to get the kids or grandkids involved. You can have them help stuff each little wonton. Good time to teach them a little bit of safety in the kitchen. Let's get them into the oven, 350 degrees for 7 minutes. The wonton cups are ready to get stuffed. I'm starting out with a little pinch of cheese in the bottom of each cup. I am going to incorporate some different flavors, but I like a little pinch of cheese on the bottom. It holds everything together nicely. Not mandatory. That's the way I do it. Now I've got 12 cups here. So I'm going to do 3 different flavors for my cups. I'm going to start out with this row here. We're going to do just a basic pizza one. A little diced up pepperoni. You can add whatever pizza topping you like. And then a little bit of pizza sauce. And then we'll finish that one with a little pinch of cheese. You can add more sauce on top if you like it saucy. Now for my next one, a little bruschetta, nice fresh. I put a little cucumber in mine and onion and tomato, balsamic, some garlic, a little salt and pepper. Incorporate all those flavors. You can buy bruschetta already all made if you don't have the time. And then we'll top that with a little bit of cheese as well. So as you can see, the choices are endless. You could make dessert little cups. And the last one is my favorite one. I'm starting off with a little bit of cilantro on the bottom. And a shrimp. This is about just a small shrimp, cooked shrimp. If you have raw ones, just cook them for 2 minutes. Boil them for 2 minutes in water and then put them in an ice bath. This is like a 31 to 40 shrimp per pound. And then a little bit of Asian sauce. There's all sorts of Asian sauces you can find out there. We've got a little garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. It works really well. But again, There's all sorts of beautiful Asian sauces you can buy in a jar out there. And then we'll top that off with a little bit of cheese as well. I left my oven on at 350, and then we'll take this over there, pop it in the oven, another 7 minutes, and they're done. Let me also make mention these little cups here. If you wanted to make a lot more of them and set them aside, just get a spoon, gently pull them out, set them aside, and make more. Then you can fill your cups on a big cookie tray and bake them the same way. Let's get them in the oven. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. Just use a little teaspoon, get into a crevice, and just spin it around. Sometimes the cheese will stick, but if you just give it a twisting motion, and they'll spin and come out every time. And then simply get a nice little serving tray. You can put each flavor on a different tray if you like, or make it a surprise for the guests. Oh my goodness, they look delicious. I think it's time to try one. Well, there they are. How simple was that? You don't need to make multiple appetizers for a get-together. Just change up the flavors. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you get to try it with your family and friends. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I put out a new one every Monday and you'll be notified. Well, now you know what time it is. I get to try the goods. I'm going in for the Asian shrimp one. Oh, wow. You're gonna love it. Those Asian flavors work. That little bit of cilantro, the crunch of the Wonton cups. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
Well, it ain't easy.